I performed my 4 stretching folds, all within 30-minute intervals. Did not speak during that time because a lot of things were happening around the household, and the audio would not have been good. So, those steps have been completed. Now Penny rests in the oven for 2.5 hours, and then I can start the shaping process. Once the shaping process is complete, which shouldn't take long, I will then put Penny in the refrigerator overnight. It's late. I gotta be quiet. People are sleeping. But Penny is ready to be shaped. I'm gonna do the rest of this process quietly. Now we cover it, put them in the refrigerator, and I go to bed and cross my fingers that everything goes swimmingly tonight. So, I'm the horrible baker, Genesee, baking my first unholy loaf. I'm gonna get some rest, hopefully, and I'll be back to finish this guy tomorrow. Until then, love ya, bye.